Cheers. So one of my favorite ways to eat vegetables is roasted. And not just roasted, but roasted with some sort of herbs or spices on them. And in this case, we're gonna be roasting Brussels sprouts today with some of the Primal Kitchen balsamic vinaigrette and a little bit of Primal Kitchen avocado oil. Very simple, but tasty side dish for just about any meal. And as you've maybe heard me say, you know, when you cut out grains and sugars and industrial seed oils and you come down to eating clean vegetables, there's like 15 vegetables you're gonna eat, maybe in the course of a year, right? Well, Brussels sprouts would be my #1 choice. Probably 60% of all the vegetables I eat next year will be Brussels sprouts or broccoli. Anyway, so Brussels sprouts. So we're gonna cut the ends off. We're gonna slice them into quarters. We're gonna quarter them. We're gonna put them in a bowl first so we can make sure that we get them nice and doused with the oils and the balsamic vinegar. Now, while we're doing this, we're gonna preheat the oven to 425 so it's ready to go when we're ready to go. Okay, there we are. So now I've got my Brussels sprouts quartered. I'm gonna add some Primal Kitchen avocado oil. I'm gonna add some Primal Kitchen balsamic vinaigrette dressing to marinate these. I'm gonna use my hands and toss them around a little bit and make sure everything's covered. And then I'm just gonna spread them out into a pan that I'm going to use to roast these. And then I'm gonna transfer these to the oven. And I'm gonna let them roast 20, 25 minutes. You check them at 20 minutes and see if you like them that way. I like them sometimes a little bit more crispy than some people do, but roast them to your desire. Okay, now I've taken these out of the oven and I've plated them. And to finish them off, I'm gonna add some bacon bits. Not bacon bits, this is actually real bacon that I've cut up. And some blue cheese. I love blue cheese. Some people aren't that partial to it, but I happen to love it. It adds a lot of flavor to these. And of course, some salt and pepper. And we are ready to eat. Bon appetit.